Famous question is what is the difference between a bookkeeper and an accountant? I get this question all the time, or I hear people just saying, I have a bookkeeper, I have an accountant, and I have a CPA. They just like rant off all the people there so that like you think like they're stacked with help and the right support. What if I told you a bookkeeper you can have in an accountant function so that you can have one person instead of two? Sometimes people have a bookkeeper, then they have the accountant to support the bookkeeper, and then they have a CPA on top of it, hiring 3 people. Now, a bookkeeper helps mainly with a lot of the daily to-dos of posting transactions, getting together the statements, and stuff like that. An accountant really takes it to the next level and creates reconciliations, reportings, if you have sales tax, if you have quarterly filings, the higher level functions. Lots of accountants can do those bookkeeping functions if they choose to do so, or lots of times they have a support staff. So it's key to know what you have so that you're not double paying for the function, or better yet, lots of times the accountant can do the bookkeeping function, and lots of times bookkeepers do know the accounting side, but what happens is that they just call themselves a bookkeeper. So it's important to be clear with your help, whoever's supporting you, what they're really doing for you so that you don't have double tasks. Now, an accountant can also file a tax return, and they may not be a CPA. So having this verbiage down packed is pretty important so that you know who you really need and who to go to. A tax return is really just once a year, but the important part of this is who's helping you all year round in your business. I mean, doesn't your mailman come all the time with the mail? I know mine does. My mortgage comes every month, my Amex comes, my kids' tuition, all these different things. So managing your daily to-dos and your books, reconciliations, and the best part, getting reports, is something regularly all the time. Now, if you're like, I have these functions and I'm not sure, and you want a review, I would love if you message me and ask me so that I can help clear that up for you. I also have slides and various blogs that support this, that give you support on how to build an accounting team for your business. Now, some of you that are listening to this video is like, hey, Margot, I'm a small company. I don't need to build an accounting team. It sounds more than what it really is because you can make it scalable for your business at the right level of where you're at. I hope you enjoyed this tip, and I look forward to hearing any questions.